Hi team, Pam Asbury here. Some of you have asked me how to order samples from your back office, so I just wanted to do a quick tutorial to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is just sign on to your website, and Farmasi gave you your website address when you first signed up. It's normally www.farmacyus.com/your first name and then your last name. So once you get here, just make sure it says you are shopping with your name. Then you want to log in to your back office. So you're going to click on the login screen, and that's going to take you to the screen so you can log in to your back office. And this is where you'll do your orders, where you can look at your team management and also order samples. So just use the email and the password that you signed up with Farmasi. So type in your email, your password, and then click sign in. This will bring you to your back office where you'll see catalog, products, entrepreneur, customer service, and you'll also see a dashboard with your information filled out to the right of these words. So you want to go down to sales support products, because this is where you will order your samples. You'll have things like new catalogs you can order, samples of our BB and CC cream. There's, I think, about 2 pages of things here that you can order. But what you do is once you figure out what you want to order, you just click on the add to basket icon. Like if you wanted to order,
you just click on it and then it adds it to your basket. You can view your cart and then just follow the instructions on how to check out and get your products that you've ordered. If you are not a beauty influencer with Farmasi and would like to join my team, it costs $19.99 to join the Farmasi team. And with that, you get 50% off your products, 50% commission. You don't have any quotas or additional fees. You get that free website. We have European standard cosmetics, which is really good. We are paraben free. We no cruelty to animals. I'm trying to find the thing. All of our products are dermatologically tested. We're phosphate free, formaldehyde free, phthalate free, non-GMO. We're a family owned and operated business. So lots of perks for just $19.99. So that means if the product's retail is $20, you can get it for $10. And again, that's with paying the $19.99. I would love to have you on my team. I'd love to talk to you. My sponsor code is 066566. You can go to my website at www.farmacyus.com/Pamela Asbury and sign up. But I would love to discuss with you about building a team and actually making this a side gig to get additional funds for yourself. You can reach me at 681-404-0858 or shoot me an email at pamela.asbury@gmail.com. I look forward to talking to you.